How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yancymane back with another video. Trying to make this a quick one. It's an unboxing of a Galaxy Fold 3 case. I guess you call it a 6-in-1 case. We got camera protection, card holder, S Pen holder, built-in screen protection, kickstand, and hinge protection. All right. It's by this company called I guess that's the hobby, I don't know. And let's open this up. I want the rose gold one or pink or whatever. You can pick them up for $39.99, about 42 bucks after taxes, depending on what state you're in. All right. As you can see, they got several colors for the Fold 3, not the 4. All right. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please turn those notifications. And as always, I encourage you guys to drop comments and questions below, and I'll get back to you, or I'll respond at my earliest convenience. All right. Okay, so there's nothing really around the box, but you know, we'll flip it around anyway. One of those third-party China makers. All right, so let's see. 2-part case. That's an extra adhesiveness for the inside here. What else we got? Instruction manual. Wet wipe for your screen protector. All right. There's adhesiveness on the inside of the case. This is pretty thick, so it's got a little bit of shock absorption. But as you can see, the hinge protection is definitely strong. It's held together by 3 screws. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 screws. So it gives it a lot of flexibility when you open and close it. On the inside here is, I believe those are 2 magnets to hold it to the back of you, or to your hinge. And there's some soft felt material here to keep it from damaging your hinge. All right, there's an S Pen holder, camera protection, card holder, kickstand as well. All right, let's pop this on. All this out the way. All right. Some on this side. Nice. Quick wipe down on the phone. Alright. Snap right on. Wow, that's a nice snug fit. Like that. And for the back piece. Snap. And there he is. Where's my S Pen at? Now, I know what you're thinking. Yeah, bulky as hell, but remember what I always say, we're trying to protect our phone, we're not trying to be cute. But in this case, this one don't look bad though. I like it. Definitely something different for me. I usually don't carry this color, but I like it. Yes, it adds weight. Of course, you're dealing with magnets and hinge protection, so it's definitely gonna add weight. Also with the S Pen carry on there. But it's protecting your phone 360. I mean, even your camera. Can't beat that. Kickstand. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Not bad. 40 bucks. Like I say, you're getting a 6-in-1. I like it. I think it's money well spent. if I got a card. Yeah, I got a card. I'll use a gift card real quick. I don't want this video to be too long, just in case. Damn, I thought I had a gift card. What the hell is a child? I think I threw them all away. The insurance card. You know what? We'll use this one. This is my business debit card. Oh, for Square. Alright. Let's pop that in. Not bad. Close right up. Let's see if we can fit two. And business PayPal card. Let's see. Oh, I didn't hear that snap. Okay, so, well, it'll hold two, barely. Of course, it'll hold one whole lot better. Yeah. Yeah, night on the town, just take your card or your ID and your cash in one pocket or whatnot. But that's hot. I like this. Alright guys, so yeah, drop your comments and your question below. Tell me what you think about this case. I'm telling you now, it's gonna add some bulk and it's gonna add some weight. So if that's a deal breaker for you, don't even bother. But yeah, works for me. I'll show you what it looks like on the back though. Sorry about that. So when you open it, the hinge just maneuvers to the front of your screen. All right. Doing no damage to your hinge, of course, with the soft felt material. And then of course the screen protector and your case on the front is covered. So that's what it looks like. All right. If you have any questions, comment, please drop them below. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed to the channel, turn on notifications. All right. It's your boy Yancymane. I'm out.